Hello students, good afternoon. I am teach you math subject, okay? And today's topic of concept of thick and thin. So first we know which one is thick and which one is thin object, okay? I am give you one example. So look here on the board. Okay, so which one is thick one and which one is thin one? Tell me. Okay, this one is thick object because this one is thick according their size. So we write here thick object and this one is thin. So write here thin. Okay, on your book there are some examples are there. Okay, so first one book. Okay, this one is book and this one also is book but this one is thin one and this one is thick. So according their sizes we differentiate two part. Okay, thin part and thick part. So this book is thick and this one is thin. Okay, I am give you some more example. Okay, so you know what is this? This is candles. Okay, so one candle and two candles. Now we differentiate in two categories, thick one and thin one. So which one is thick and which one is thin? Tell me fast. This one is thick candle. So write here thick. Okay, and this one is thin. So write here thin. What is the spelling of thin? T-H-I-C-K. Okay. And what is the spelling of thin? T-H-I-N. Okay. So thick one and thin one. Okay, now I give you some more examples. Okay. Now here this is pumpkin and this one is chili. You know which one chili? Red chili, green chili. So this one is chili. So which one is thick and which one is thin? Tell me fast. This one thick object? Yes. So write here thick. T-H-I-C-K. Thick object. And this one is thin object. So T-H-I-N. Thin. Thick. Thin. Okay. You know the spelling of thick and thin. So you recognize this one is thick object and this one is thin object. Okay. So on your notebook, 3 examples you write here and find out which one is thick and which one is thin. So take out your notebook and repeat after me. On this side some pictures, on this side some pictures, and you find out which one is thick, so you write here thick, which one is thin, so you write here thin. So take out your notebook, maths notebook, and pencil and eraser and write with me. Look here. Okay, number 1, you make candle. On your birthday you use the candles, so many candles, so this one is candle. And here also make candle, but this type of candle. Okay, so here we write which one is thick and which one is thin. Yes, here the object is thick or thin. Tell me fast. Say. Yes, very good. This one is thick one. So write here thick. And this one is thin candle. So write here thin. Okay. One is complete. Now move to the next example. Example number 2. Okay. Here we make okay. Now 2 trees are there, 1 number, 2 number. So tell me fast, which one is thick and which one is thin? Yes. This one, this tree, thick or thin? Tell me fast. Thick or thin? Tell me fast. Thin. Yes, very good. So write here thin. And here we write thick. T-H-I-C-K. Thin object, thick object. Now last one. Okay, this is the pumpkin and this one chili. Okay, any red, green, any one. Okay, now here which one is thick one and which one is thin one? Tell me fast. This one thick. So here we write thick and this one is thin. So we write here thin. So you know which one is thick one and which one is thin one. I am give you example, some live example. The marker is and this is the pen. So which one is thick and which one is thin? Yes, this one is thick and this one is thin. So you take some thick pen and some thin pen and you differentiate. Thick one is different and thin one is different. So you know in this book, here book, example of book, this one is thin book and thick book. Pumpkin, thick one, and green chili, thin one. Here tree, here also here tree, but this one is thick one tree and this one is thick. Okay, here candle, thick, thin. Here brick and paper. So brick is thick object and paper is thin. So there are example of thick and thin. On your notebook you write same as it is, and this one is CW and same as CW you write HW. So 2 page you write candle, tree and third pumpkin and red chili. So this is your homework also and classwork also. On your notebook you write 2 page. This concept you write 2 times on the 2 page. 1 page classwork, 1 page homework, and send it to me. Okay, and after that some exercise here na. So the exercise is tick the picture which is thick and color it. So which one tree is thick one? Tell me. This one. This one is thick. No, this one is thin and this one is thick. So color the thick picture. Color the thick picture. So you color it on this tree. Okay, color on this tree. And next question is take the picture which is thin. Second is thin picture color. Color the thin picture. So this man is thin or thick? Okay, this man is, yes, thick one, and this one is thin one. So you color it thin one, and here you color it thick one. Okay, so page number 12. Page number 12, exercise in book. This is also your homework, and this is also your homework and classwork also. So you write on the notebook. So this is the concept of thick and thin. Okay, any doubt?